we solve one example problem. Example number 4, page number 13. Example number 4. Find the equation of the locus of P. Find the equation of the locus of P if the ratio of the distances from P to A5 comma minus 4 and B7 comma 6 is 2:3. The ratio of the distances from P to A5 comma minus 4 and B7 comma 6 is 2:3. Here the distances, the ratio of the distances from P to A and B is 2:3. Here let P x comma y be any point on the locus. Here A point 5 comma minus 4 and B point 7 comma 6. The distances from P to A means PA is to the distance from P to B means PB is equal to 2:3. This is the given geometric condition. The ratio of the distances from P to A and B means PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. This is the given geometric condition. Here let P of x comma y be any point on the locus. Px comma y be any point on the locus. Given points A point 5 comma minus 4, B point 7 comma 6. Here given geometric condition PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. Is to means by. PA by PB is equal to 2/3. Cross multiplication. Taking 3 left side, PB right side. 3PA is equal to 2PB. This is the given geometric condition. Here find the values PA and PB. First one is PA. A point 5 comma minus 4. P point x comma y. Let A point x1 y1, P point x2 y2. PA means the distance between the 2 points. The distance between the 2 points formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. PA is equal to x2 x minus x1 5 whole square plus y2 y minus y1 minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 whole square under root. This is the PA value. Second one PB. B point 7 comma 6. P point x comma y. Let B point x1 y1, P point x2 y2. PB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square means x minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means y minus 6 whole square. This is the PB value. Substitute PA and PB values in equation number 1. Equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 3PA is equal to 2PB. 3 into PA. PA is equal to under root of x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 2 into PB. PB is equal to under root of x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. 3 square into under root of x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square under root whole square is equal to 2 square into under root of x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square whole square. Square root cancel. Square root cancel. 3 square 9 into x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 2 square 4 into x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. 9 into a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square x square, b square 5 square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 5 plus again y plus 4 whole square by using a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square y square, b square 4 square plus 2ab, 2 into y into 4 is equal to 4 into again a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square x square, b square 7 square minus 2ab plus a minus b whole square, a square y square, b square 6 square minus 2ab. 9 into x square plus 5 square 25 minus 2 5s are 10x plus y square 4 square 16 plus 2 4s are 8y is equal to 4 into x square 7 square 49 minus 2 7s are 14x plus y square plus 6 square 36 minus 2 6 are 12y. This total value multiply with 9. 9 into x square 9x square, 9 into 25 225 minus 9 10s are 90x plus 9 into y square 9y square, 9 16s are 144 plus 9 8s are 72y is equal to 4 into x square 4x square plus 4 into 49 196 minus 4 14s are 56x plus 4 into y square 4y square plus 4 into 36 36 4s are 4 6s are 24 4 3s are 12 to 14 144 4 12s are 48y 48y. This total value taking left side 9x square plus 225 minus 90x plus 9y square plus 144 plus 72y minus 4x square minus 196 plus 56x minus 4y square minus 144 plus 48y is equal to 0. 9x square minus 4x square 5x square 9y square minus 4y square 5y square again x term minus 90x plus 56x minus 90x plus 56x taking borrow 10 minus 6 4 here 8 minus 5 3 minus 34x minus 34x again y term 72y plus 48y 72 plus 48 8 plus 2 10 1 1 plus 4 5 5 plus 7 12 120 plus 120y plus 144 minus 144 get cancel plus 225 minus 196 plus 225 minus 196 taking borrow 10 plus 5 15 minus 6 9 taking borrow 11 minus 9 2 plus 29 plus 29 is equal to 0. 5x square plus 5y square minus 34x plus 120y plus 29 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of the locus of Px comma y. Therefore, the required equation of the locus of Px comma y is 5x square plus 5y square minus 34x plus 120y plus 29 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the locus of Px comma y. This is the process for finding the locus of Px comma y.